Well, welcome to my drying shed. Many times I told you all that I didn't know how to dry herbs, that bugs wouldn't get at them or we wouldn't have any issues. So I looked up what did they do in the old days, and that is the theme of my channel. They used cheesecloth. So we have all of these herbs today, and I am going to dehydrate them the old-fashioned way. To keep the bugs out, we are going to cover them with cheesecloth. Never thought of it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut some strips of cheesecloth with these herbs. And it's going to take only about 10 days because it gets to be 100 degrees in here. So this is going to be perfect. It actually got quite warm by the time I was done harvesting all of these herbs. So we have sage, grapefruit tea. So this is grapefruit mint, and it's absolutely amazing. Now, the one thing nice about this cheesecloth, you can reuse it over and over again. As I try to get rid of plastics in my home, I'm learning that there are natural ways to use things that you normally would buy, like with plastic. I ran out of cheesecloth, so I need to go into my canning garage. In fact, this might fit both of these. And I need to see if I have any more. But this will be perfect for now. We're supposed to get heavy rain, so I'm trying to bring all of my herbs in that are drying. I want to bring them all in. That way they don't absorb the moisture again. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get another jar. I can see that already. So I'll get another jar, work on all of this. All right, we're having heavy rain coming, so I'm gonna go ahead and close up my solar cooker. I'm going to go ahead and start with the hoops in my raised garden bed, because we are going to have some canvas cover on them. That way it's going to keep the frost from hitting them, and it actually makes your garden last a lot longer. Harvest some of my pineapple tea. Pineapple mint. This is my pineapple mint. It's absolutely amazing. All right, so now all you do is we're going to cover this up. Just use a tea towel, cover it up in your house, or better yet, somewhere where it gets really dry and warm. So I'm just going to cover it up out here in the cabin. And I have some already dry, so I'm just going to switch out. So this is fresh, So this is going to take about a week. Now somebody talked about living in Florida where it's humid. So if you have a lot of humidity, this won't work. Here is the lemon verbena. We're going to put that in the jar. All right, so now that is done, and now all we have to do is wait till the tea dries, and then I'll show you what we do next, and that's going to be about 10 days from now. Hey everybody, don't leave yet. If you liked this video and the theme of this video, how about checking out this video and this video, or maybe over this one, because it's the same theme and it's an older video of mine. It's really important because I have so many videos to get a lot of them circulated. So if you wouldn't mind watching one of my older videos, they're gems. Seriously, they are gems. They are amazing because the way I started my channel out, it's interesting. And I think you would enjoy that, seeing me now, present day, to seeing me maybe a year or two or even 7 years before. Bye everybody.